roll. That's pretty much out of there now, but you can see the skids are in the 20s and 30s for the long stretch west between Ben Salem and the Midtown tolls. And I have to show you our situation on the Bryant Street Expressway because it remains not so pleasant because of this jackknife tractor trailer still blocking the ramp from the westbound side to the eastbound side of the Schuylkill.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Berks County until 11:15 a.m. At 7:10 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated that 1 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen in parts of southern and eastern Berks County. Another 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected in a short amount of time. As a result, some flash flooding is likely in Berks County. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bechtelville, Birdsboro, Fleetwood, Kutztown, Reading, Warmelsdorf, and Leesport. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown.
About 2 minutes ago.